Welcome to Sreenath Recipes. Today we will see how to make chicken nuggets. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl and keep it aside. Grind 300 grams of boneless chicken with 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 2 tablespoons of curd, 2 slices of bread, and a little salt. Keep it aside. Take 1 cup of breadcrumbs and keep it ready. Now grease your hands with a little oil and shape the chicken mixture into nuggets. Dip it in beaten egg and coat it with breadcrumbs. Keep it aside. Heat oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Add a few chicken nuggets at a time and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. When it turns golden brown, take it out. Do the same process for the remaining nuggets. Serve it hot with tomato ketchup. Please do try and post your feedback.